హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఎస్కే ట్యుటోరియల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనం ఏపీటెట్ 2018 ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ సెషన్ షిఫ్ట్ 2 మోడల్ పేపర్లోని ఇంగ్లీష్ కంటెంట్ అండ్ మెథడాలజీకి సంబంధించినటువంటి బిట్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దాం. దీంట్లో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, షీ బికేమ్ ఫ్లబ్బీ డ్యూ టు ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ. ఫ్లబ్బీ ఇన్ ద అబోవ్ సెంటెన్స్ మీన్స్ ఆప్షన్ 1 ల్యాకింగ్ vitality, option 2 sad or gloomy, option 3 depressed, option 4 possessive and convincing. Right answer is option 1 lacking vitality. Next question, he become pioneer of India's software industry. The word pioneer in the above sentence means option 1 a person who is the first to develop a particular area of knowledge, option 2 a person who lost his life for knowledge, option 3 a person who got a job in software industry, option 4 a person who bought software from a company. Right answer is option 1 a person who is the first to develop a particular area of knowledge. Next question, choose the word that does not have a suffix. Option 1 conduct, option 2 official, option 3 proposal, option 4 identification. Right answer is option 3. Next question, choose the word with correct spelling. Right answer is option 3 ferocious. Next question, words having the same spelling but different meaning are called homophones, homonyms, hypernyms, hyphonyms. Right answer is homonyms, option 2. Same spelling but different meanings are called, different meaning words are called homonyms. Next question, light changes its nature when passed through a transparent medium. Choose the antonym of word transparent. Option 1 positive, option 2 bright, option 3 opaque, option 4 unnatural. Right answer is option 3 opaque. Opposite word of transparent is opaque. Next question, choose the feral verb means manage to understand. Option 1 bring down, option 2 make out, option 3 bring out, option 4 broke out. Right answer is option 2 make out. Next question, the Hindu can be obtained in many big cities in India. The purpose of using can in this sentence to express option 1 position, option 2 ability, option 3 permission, option 4 possibility. Right answer is option 4 possibility. The purpose of using can in this sentence to express possibility. Choose the correct sentence with respect to the use of articles. Option 1 tables are made of wood, option 2 the tables are the made of wood, option 3 the tables are made of the wood, option 4 tables are made of the wood. Right answer is option 1 tables are made of wood. Next question, he deals dash many business peoples. Choose the correct preposition that fits in the blank. Option 1 in, option 2 on, option 3 with, option 4 over. Right answer is option 3 with. He deals with many business people. Next question, Napoleon who won the French honor died at St. Helena. This sentence has a defining relative class. Option 2 a non-defining relative class, option 3 a noun class, option 4 conditional class. Right answer is option 2 a non-defining relative class. Next question, choose the informal expression among the following. Option 1 tell me where the market is, option 2 please show me the market, option 3 will you please help me in finding the market, option 4 can you please help me in finding the market. Right answer is option 1 tell me where the market is. He comes every Friday. Choose the correct question tag of this sentence. Option 1 isn't he, option 2 does he, option 3 doesn't he, option 4 is he. Right answer is option 3. Next question, choose the sentence that ends with a full stop. Option 1 I know who are you, option 2 how good you me, Option 3, who are you? Option 4, how are you? Right answer is option 1. I know who are you. End with full stop. Next question. Sham has eaten my chocolate, says Arun. Choose the reported speech of the sentence above. Option 1, Sham says that Arun has eaten my chocolate. Option 2, Sam told Arun that he has eaten my chocolate. Option 3, Arun told Sam that he has eaten my chocolate. Option 4, Arun says that Sam has eaten his chocolate. Right answer is option 4. Arun says that Sam has eaten his chocolate. Next question. Plenty of water dash available here around the year. Choose the correct word from the fill in the blank. Right answer is option 1 is plenty of water is available here around the year. The child dashed by a dog last week. Choose the correct tense from the fits of the blank. Fits the blank. Right answer is option 3 was chased. The child was chased by a dog last week. Choose the verb form from the following. Option 1 organize, option 2 tidy, option 3 6, option 4 corn. Right answer is option 1. Choose the linker that can be used to indicate contrast. Option 1 yet, option 2 hence, option 3 all the same, option 4 likewise. Right answer is option 1. He was tired, he laid down on the sofa. The two sentences can be combined as option 1 neither he was tired nor he lay down on the sofa. Option 2 being tired he lay down on the sofa. Option 3 he lay down on the road so that he was tired. Option 3 although he was tired he lay down on the sofa. Right answer is option 2. Next question. Choose the grammatically correct sentence from the following. Option 1 Vikram prefers coffee for tea. Option 2 Vikram prefers coffee with tea. Option 3 Vikram prefers coffee to tea. Option 4 Vikram prefers coffee by tea. Right answer is option 3 Vikram prefers coffee to tea. Has a snake ever coiled itself around any part of your body? The sentence ends with option 2 a question mark. Choose the word that should begin with a capital letter. Option 1 American, option 2 poetry, option 3 news, option 4 week. Right answer is option 1 American. American is starts begin with a capital letter, capital A. He has started as grammar. The passive voice of the sentence is grammar has started by. Option 1 grammar has started as by him. Option 2 grammar was taught to as by him. Option 3 grammar has been taught to as by him. Option 4 we have taught grammar by him. Right answer is option 3. Grammar has been taught to us by him. No other river in the world is dash the Nile. Choose the expression that fits in the blank. Option 1 the longest. Option 2 longer than. Option 3 long. Option 4 so long as. Right answer is option 4. You address the receiver of personal letter as option 1 hello sir, option 3 dear Mr, option 2 dear Mr, option 3 my dear, option 4 dear sir. Right answer is my dear. Address receiver of personal letter. Next question. Choose the list of words in the correct alphabetical order. Do, does, did, done, do, did, done, does, did, do, does, done, did, does, done, do. Right answer is option 3. Did, do, does, done. Tourist from various parts of the state travels through Kurnool. Choose the synonym of the word various. Option 1 some, option 2 all, option 3 many, option 4 any. Right answer is option 3 many. Read the following passage and choose the correct answer to question. Shivaji once attacked the city of Surat, which was under the Mughals. Then the Englishman who lived in Surat ran away for safety. So they escaped. They escaped belongs were taken away by the soldiers of Shivaji to Raigad, the capital of Shivaji's kingdom. The Englishmen ran away because option 1 they wanted to save their belongings. They wanted to attack Raigad. They wanted to save their lives. They wanted to meet Shivaji. Right answer is option 3. They wanted to save their lives. Read the following passage and choose the correct answer to the question. Shivaji once attacked the city Surat, which was under the Mughals. Then the Englishmen who lived in Surat ran away for safety. Though they escaped, their belongings were taken away by the soldiers of Shivaji to Raigad, the capital of Shivaji's kingdom. Choose the true statement from the following. Option 1 Shivaji belonging to Surat. Option 2 Shivaji attacked Raigad. Option 3 the Englishmen attacked Shivaji. Option 4 Raigad was capital of Shivaji's kingdom. Right answer is option 4.